Hello students, welcome to Smart World, a school of education. Let's learn the history chapter 6. Janpadas and Mahajanpadas. Janpadas, Mahajanpadas and rise of the Magadha Empire. These three things we have to learn in this chapter. Before going, we should try this. Write the names of the 16 Mahajanpadas in the proper places on an outline map of India. This is the outline map of India, and these are the 16 Mahajanpadas. Let's learn about it in detail. Janpadas, the period from about 1000 BC to 600 BC, is considered to be the post Vedic period. It is in this period that the Janpadas came into existence. Janpadas were the many small states that spread from today's Afghanistan, which is to be the northwest of the Indian subcontinent, to the Bengal and Odisha in the east and to Maharashtra in the south. The Janpadas called Ashmak occupied a part of today's Maharashtra. The names of these Janpadas can be found in Sanskrit, Pali, and Ardhamati literature. One can also find information about them in the writing of Greek historians. Some of the Janpadas were monarchies while others are republics. Some Janpadas had a Ghana Parishad of senior citizens. Members of the Ghana Parishad came together to discuss and made decisions regarding administrative issues. The place where this discussion took place was known as the Sangathar. Gautam Buddha hailed from the Sakya Republic. Every Janpadas had its own coinage. Mahajanpadas, Kosla, Vasta, Avanti, and Magdha. These were four Mahajanpadas. Let's learn about the Kosla first. The Kosala, the Kosla Mahajanpada was located in the foothills of the Himalaya in the regions of Uttar Pradesh and Nepal. The famous cities of Kosla were Sharavasti, Kushavanti, and the Saket. The Sharavasti was the capital of the Kosla. Gautam Buddha had lived in the famous Vihara Jetwan at the Srivasti for a long time. The Kosla king Virajin was the contemporary of the Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. Later, the state of Kosla merged with Magda. Now, let's read about Vasa. The Mahajanpadas Vatsa was located in the region around Prayag, that is Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. Kosam, the capital of the Vatsa, was the ancient city of Kaushambi. It was an important center for trade. Three extremely rich merchants of Kaushambi had built three virahas for Gautama Buddha and his followers. King Udyana was a contemporary of Gautama Buddha. After King Udyana, the state of Vassa could not maintain its independence exist for long. The king of Avanti, Magadha, conquered the state. Avanti, the ancient kingdom of Avanti, was located in the Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh. Ujjaini, it means Ujjain, was its capital. The city was an important trade center. The king of Avanti and the Pratyog was a contemporary of Gautam Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. During the region of King Nandivardhan, the state of Avanti was merged into the Magadha Empire. Next is Magadha Empire. The ancient Mahajanpada of Magda was spread through the region of Gaya and Patna in Bihar and some region in Bengal. The capital of Magda was Rajgira, that is Rajgir. The king Bim- Bimbisar's palace was built by the architect Mahatgoen. The Jirika, the famous physician, was at the court of Bimbisar. Bimbisar had become a follower of Gautam Buddha. Some Janpadas gradually became stronger and expanded their geographical boundaries. Such Janpadas came to be known as Mahajanpadas. From the literature of that period, it is clear that up to 6th century BC, 16 Mahajanpadas had acquired special importance. Kosla, Avasta, Avanti, and Magda among them became more powerful. Rise of Magda Empire. Ajit, the son of Bimbisar, continued with the policy of expansion of Magda Empire. He successfully conquered many republics of East. The kingdom of Magda prospered during the reign of Ajit. He had become a follower of Gautam Buddha. After Mahaparinirvana of Gautam Buddha, it was during his reign that the first Buddhist council or Sangiti was held at the Rajgira. Ajit sculpture. The foundation for the new capital Patliputra of Magda was laid during Ajit period. Later it became famous as Patliputra. Patliputra was probably in the vacancy of today's Patna city. The noteworthy successor of Ajit was the Magda king Shishigul. He annexed the kingdom of Avanti Kosla and Vasta to Magda. Nearly the entire region of northern India came under the control of Magda. That was how the Magda Empire took shape. The Nanda kings of Magda. The Nandans ruled the Magda Empire between 364 BC to 324 BC. They had set up a good administrative system necessary to run the huge empire. They had a huge four-column army of infantry, cavalry, chariots, and elephants. The Nandas also introduced the system of standard weights and measures. The king Dhanyanand was the last king of the Nanda dynasty. By this time, the Magda Empire had extended up to Punjab in the west. However, during Dhanyanand's reign, the ambitious youth Chandragupta Maurya won Patliputra, ended the Nanda regime, and laid the foundation of Maurya Empire. In the next chapter, we will read about foreign invasions on the western and northern frontiers of India during the rise of Maurya Empire, which we will read about Maurya Empire in the greater detail. Do you know the ancient and modern names of the 16 Mahajanpadas? Kashi, Banaras, Kosal means Lucknow, Malya it is Gorakh, Vasta means Allahabad, Chendi is Kanpur, Kuru it's Delhi, Panchal it's Rohilkhand, Mastya it's Jaipur, Shurusen it's Mathura, and Ashmak it's Aurangabad in Maharashtra, and Avanti it's Ujjain, and it's Champa East Bihar, and Magda it's South Bihar, and Virchi it's North Bihar, and Gandhara it's Peshawar, and Kamboj it's near Gandhara. Let's see exercise. Answer in one sentence. What is meant by Janpada? What is meant by Mahajanpada? Where was the first Buddhist council held? Who introduced the system of standard weights and measures? Can you name the following? Some parts of today's Maharashtra was occupied by this Janpada. This was an assembly of senior citizens of Janpada. This was the venue of discussion. Let's see the exciting activities. Visit a nearby fort and find out the following. First, type of fort, in whose design it was built, the Kiliander, the main feature. Find out the different arms and services of Indian Army. Complete the following table. In first column it's serial number, and second is name of Mahachan Padas, third is location, fourth is capital, and last one is name of the most important king. Let's continue the reading of match the following. Group 1 is, let's see what is group 1. Sangiti and Dhanyanand and Patligram. In Group B, there are Ajit Shudru, Parishad, and Mahagovind and Nandaki. Fourth question is make a table showing the various kingdoms in the Indian subcontinent and their capitals. I hope you got this chapter. Thank you so much.